So in this video, we are going to learn how to auto-reply to YouTube comment using ChatGPT with Pabbly Connect. Yes, that's right. If you also post videos on YouTube, replying to your YouTube comment is a crucial part for boosting your user engagement. And with the help of this automation, you can just completely automate the process of replying to your YouTube comment. In this automation, as we are going to receive a new comment on our YouTube channel, automatically the same comment will be sent to AI platforms like ChatGPT, and using ChatGPT, we are going to generate a reply for the same comment which we have received. After generating this reply, we are going to post the same reply of that comment as well on our YouTube channel. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. And on my YouTube channel, I keep on getting some new comments on a regular basis on my videos. Now, I want to generate some personalized replies for each and every comment and post those replies back on the same comment as well using ChatGPT or any other AI platform. So let's say if we are using ChatGPT to generate the replies, the first thing what we have to do is we have to connect our YouTube channel with ChatGPT or OpenAI so that whenever we get a new comment, automatically using ChatGPT, we can basically generate a reply for the comment, and the reply which ChatGPT is giving us, we can post that same reply back on that comment on our YouTube channel. And to do this, we have to connect our YouTube channel with OpenAI or ChatGPT. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform to do so. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name my workflow as YouTube Comments Auto Reply. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. After naming a workflow, just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our YouTube account, our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new comment is received on any video on our YouTube channel, the same comment will be received inside Pabbly Connect as well, and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same comment to ChatGPT, and using ChatGPT, we are going to generate a short and personalized reply for the same comment. After generating the reply, we will send the same reply back to YouTube and post that reply for the same comment as well. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger step, here in Choose App, we will search for YouTube. Just select it. After selecting YouTube, in Trigger Event from this drop-down, select the trigger event as New Comment on a Channel. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with YouTube button. Then in this pop-up window, just select your YouTube account. After selecting the account, just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our YouTube account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the channel. So it is most likely possible that into your own or a single YouTube account, you might have created multiple YouTube channels. So the new comments from which particular channel we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect in this automation, we have to select that. Right now in my YouTube account, I have only one channel named as Demo Channel, and I want to capture the new comments for this particular channel, so I will be selecting it. Then it is asking us for the max result, that in one go, what is the maximum number of comments we want to retrieve. So we want to retrieve only one comment in one go. That's why we are going to enter the max result as 1 over here. And after entering the max result, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. Now, as we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, the details of the last comment, the most recent comment which we have received on our YouTube channel, will be captured by Pabbly Connect, and it will get the data of the same comment over here. Let me show you. that on my YouTube channel, I have received this particular comment. This was the last comment which I have received on my YouTube channel. Great content on natural resources. It's inspiring to see sustainable solution for our plants. Keep it up. So this is the comment which we have received. Now, when after making the connection, when I'll click on this save and send test request button, we will see we are going to receive some response. And in this response, we have captured the details of the last comment, the most recent comment. So this is the exact same comment which we have received. Then we'll scroll down further. Here you can see the date and time, that what date and time the comment was posted. Then we'll scroll down further and we have this unique comment ID. And later on in this automation, we are going to use this unique comment ID to post the reply of this comment as well. So this means we have successfully received the details of our YouTube comment which we have received on our YouTube channel. Now we want to send this same comment to ChatGPT so that using ChatGPT, we can generate a personalized reply for the comment. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, here in choose app, search for ChatGPT over here and select it. After selecting ChatGPT in action event from the drop down, select the action event as Ask ChatGPT. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our ChatGPT account with Pabbly Connect. And we all know the connection of ChatGPT or the API token of ChatGPT can be obtained from the OpenAI account. So here we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. And to get the API key, just log into your OpenAI account and from the dashboard, from the left sidebar, go to this API key section. After coming to the API key section, click on this create secret key button and give this secret key a name. Let's say I'll name my secret key as YouTube. And after naming our secret key, just select the project and permission as all and click on this create secret key button. Now, as we click on this create secret key button, here you can see the API key is generated. We will just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting this API key, just click on save. And as we click on save, we will see our ChatGPT or OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the AI model. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of different models which are offered by ChatGPT. Out of all of these, you can select any model to generate the reply. I will be selecting the model as GPT-4o to generate the reply for my YouTube comments. After selecting the model, here we have to enter the prompt that what do we want ChatGPT to do. So here I want to enter the prompt as this. So this is the prompt which I want to give to ChatGPT. The prompt is, this is the comment I have received on my YouTube channel. I want you to generate a short reply to this comment. Do not add any special character or anything extra. Just give me the reply in response. And I'm going to mention the comment which we have received. Comment received. And here what we have to do, from the trigger step responses of YouTube, the comment which we have received, the response of comment which we have captured, we have to basically enter this same comment message or map this same comment message into this ChatGPT action step. Now to send the response of our trigger step to this ChatGPT action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. We'll simply click on this field of prompt, and after entering the prompt, where we have to basically enter or mention the comment which we have received. Here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the responses of a new comment which we have received from YouTube. Out of all of these responses, select this response of text original and just map it over here. So in this way, what we have done, we have basically mentioned a prompt that what do we want ChatGPT to do, and also we have given the comment for which we want ChatGPT to generate the reply. Now this is a very generic, a generalized prompt which I have entered. In this prompt, instead of this, you can basically mention the details of your business or the details of your YouTube channel which you own, and also you can mention some special details or some important notice or link or messages which you want to mention in the comment if needed. So you can basically customize this prompt as per your choice, that what kind of reply you want ChatGPT to generate for the comments which you are getting. You can basically reply or customize this prompt for those replies. After entering the prompt and mapping the comment over here and selecting our AI model, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, we have received a reply for the same comment. So because I have asked for a short reply or short reply for the comment, it has given me the comment reply as thank you so much for your support and encouragement. So we have successfully generated a reply for a YouTube comment using ChatGPT. So the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed. Now after this, let's move to step 3. In step 3, we want to post this same reply to the comment on our YouTube channel. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, we will search for YouTube once again. Just select it. After selecting YouTube, an action event from the drop down, select the action event as reply to comment. Then just click on connect. And because we have connected our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can just select the existing connection and click on save. After clicking on save, the first thing it asks us is the reply text. That what is the text which we want to post as a reply of this comment. So we have received the reply text from ChatGPT in the second step. So here from the ChatGPT responses, we have to map this response of text content or the message or reply in this YouTube reply a comment action step. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field of reply text, and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous 2 steps. Here from the ChatGPT responses, select the response of message content or the reply message and map it over here. After mapping the reply text, it is asking us for the comment ID. That what is the unique ID of the comment for which we want to post this reply. So here in the trigger step, we have received the unique comment ID as well. So here from the trigger step responses, we are going to map this response of comment ID over here. Just click on this field and from the drop down, select and map the response of comment ID. Here it is. After mapping the reply text and comment ID, just click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that for this particular comment whose ID we have mapped, this reply is posted. So let's check it. We will just go to our YouTube account and refresh our comments page once. And yes, here you can see that just now 19 seconds ago, this reply was posted for the same comment whose response we have captured on our YouTube channel. So this means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, you can auto reply to the comments which you are receiving on your YouTube channel using ChatGPT. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. So I'll just go to my YouTube account and I'm going to post another comment from some other account on one of my YouTube channel videos. So in a new tab from some other account, I have opened one of my videos over here, and after opening this video, I'm going to post a comment over here. Let me just post a comment as beautiful scenic view of nature. So this is the comment which I'm posting. Let's click on this button of comment. So just now on one of our video, we have received this comment over here. And as we receive this comment, we will see automatically within 10 minutes using this automation, we are going to post the reply for the same comment. So on our YouTube channel as well, you can see if I refresh this comments page, you can see a new comment is received over here. And this will basically takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new comments on our YouTube channel every 10 minutes. So we just have to wait for 10 minutes over here and we will see within 10 minutes, the reply for this comment will be automatically generated using ChatGPT and the reply message will be posted for the same comment as well. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here and this reply will be posted within 10 minutes. Okay, so now we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now we'll go to our YouTube channel and refresh this comments page once. And yes, here you can see that just 1 minute ago, automatically for the same comment which we have posted on our video, using this automation, we have generated a reply for the same comment and posted the reply for the same comment as well. And we have completely automated this process of replying to our YouTube comments using Pabbly Connect. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you'll find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link.
So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.